11:24. No, 11:26:24. We just did some of the saran wrap out of the main pump, and now we're running a normal cycle to see if it goes through. What time is it?
1:17.
1:17 on a Tuesday. So one of the owners of the dishwasher says it probably like goes bad in 5 minutes.
Ủa giờ không cần này là sao? Cái này là sao?
Oh, we gotta turn on the water.
Oh.
Oh yeah, there goes the water now. It's on.
Okay.
So we have electricity, we have water, and we have a water muffler.
Oh yeah, I heard water sound now. Yeah. Chưa cần là yeah, water.
Wow, Mom is king. Oh, Dad's running his hearing now.
Right.
It's like trying to figure out the baby is kicking or not.
Right. See?
See, now it started up.
Nice.
If it lasts longer than 15 minutes, it's fixed. That's the telltale.
That's the real deal, right? All right. I'm just gonna put everything back because there's nothing else we know what to do. We just have to pray to the dishwasher gods. Whirlpool God, please work.